So I went to that cafe. It was good. The coffee was good, and I ate the salmon cream cheese, and that's for my breakfast actually. So today is my last day here in Penang, and I'll be heading to the airport to go to KL. I'll be staying at KL for a day before heading back to Brunei. My gate. A little bit chaotic as usual. So I'm gonna go head to the gate now. It's open already. Nice view of the KL Tower. This part is actually a shutter for the windows. This brick represent a design from the old house back in the days. Oh, I can sit down in the shower room. That's cool. And the toilet is here next to the shower, and the sink is outside of the toilet, which I think is cool to see. We have bathrobes. We have the mini bar, which, if I'm heard correctly, it's free. We have coffee machine. With this inside. We got some water, and the room is quite spacious. We have sofa over here, big king size bed with an old picture of back in the old days of Cal. Oh, I think this is a player. I'll give it a try later on. So I'll be here in Cal for just a night. The distance is very far from the airport. Basically, it took me like almost 1.5 hours to come here by the Grab car because of the slight heavy traffic, and it's also raining as well today, this afternoon. The reason why I came here to stay in the hotel is because of I want to try to stay in here. Basically, look how nice it is. That is nice, right? For the dinner tonight, I will not go to the village park because one, it's raining, and the other thing, it's I'm hungry already, so hungry. So what I'm gonna do is order a delivery, probably Domino's pizza, my favorite. I will show you what I'm eating tonight. Okay, you want to see my dinner? I'm so excited to try it. So this was a gift from the hotel, Hard Rock Hotel, and I got two actually of this mug, and the other one is crushed on the way from Penang to KL. Well, that's the end of the life of this mug. Well, it's free actually, so I wouldn't complain that much, but yeah, it's nice to have it. Give this as a souvenir basically.